We'll guide you through how to get and install a night vision texture pack in Minecraft. First of all, open up a web browser and search for night vision texture pack CurseForge and come to the CurseForge site. You can scroll down and click on files, and now come down and you can go and see the different versions. So this version here is for 1.20.4, so come to the right, click on the three dots and click on download. After it's downloaded, go to the top and click on OptiFine, then click on downloads, and now make sure you go and get OptiFine for the same version. So I'll get it for 1.20.4. There'll be an ad wall, wait for the skip button in the top right. Go and click on it and then click on the download button and it will download. Open up your file explorer, come to your downloads and find OptiFine and go and double click on it and go and click on install. It should then go and run. If it doesn't, this probably means that you don't have Java installed. So come to your web browser and go to java.com, click on download Java and you can go and install it. However, mine's already run successfully. If you've installed Java, right click on it, hover over open with, make sure you select Java or click on choose another app and find it there and it should then run. After OptiFine's installed, open up the launcher, go to the left of the play button and make sure you select the right version, which is 1.20.4 and click on play. Go and click on options, then resource packs and click on open pack folder. And what you then need to do is go and drag the night vision pack in like so. Now come to Minecraft and it should now be appearing here. If it says incompatible, don't worry, click on the arrow, click on yes, and you've now added it. Click on done and get into a world. I'm now completely underground and as you can see, it's completely light. If you found this useful, then leave a like.